Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Experto Consultancy. I hope you all have gone through my previous video in which we have learned some terms like tabs, ribbons, groups, spreadsheets, etc. And if not, please go through it. The link is in the description below. So today I am here with an interesting topic, that is custom fill. I am going to tell you what are the benefits of using the custom fill and how to create it. So, do you ever find yourself typing out the same standard list over and over again, such as list of employees, locations, product list, customers list? Yes, I do. Plus the time it takes to type those lists is a big waste of time. But you know what? MS Excel has some nice features that can save your repetitive typing. This feature is called an Excel custom list. Excel has some inbuilt standard lists such as the month of the year and the days of the week. Let's try out the inbuilt standard list in Excel. Let's type the January into a cell. Then drag that cell down. And you can see Excel automatically enters the February, March and so on. You could equally try the days of the week. Let's type Monday. Then drag that cell down. And Excel automatically enters the Tuesday, Wednesday and so on. So, this is what we have seen an inbuilt list in Excel. Now, let's create our own list. To create your own list, you have to go to File option, choose option over there, Advanced. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom until you reach the General section. So, here is the General section. Now click the Edit Custom button. The custom list window will open. You can now see where the list for the month of the year or day of the weeks are stored. To create your own list, there are two methods of data entry. Let's learn the first method of data entry, that is manual entry. Click on New List in Custom List box. Start typing the list in the list entries. Once complete, click Add. That's it. Your list is now ready to use in a worksheet. Method 2 is import. Click on New List in Custom List box. Now, here, click on the range input icon from the import list from cell box over here. Select the location of the list. Then click on icon to return over here. Back in the custom list window, click import and say OK. And your list is ready to use. So these are the two ways of creating your own custom list. Now let's try the custom list just now we created. Type any name from your custom list you remember. Let's type India. Then drag that cell down. And you can see details are now automatically updated. Once the list is completed, the series is repeated. The benefit of using the custom list is no need to remember everything. Apart from this, You can even delete or edit your custom list. Let's see how to do that. Go to File, Option, Advanced, and then General section. You have to scroll down. Click on Edit Custom List button. Select the list you want to edit or delete. Let's select this list: India, Canada, Dubai, United Kingdom, and Germany. Let's delete the United Kingdom and say OK. Now if I type here India, and if I scroll it, if I drag it down, you can see now the United Kingdom is not reflecting. We have deleted that name from our custom list. Let's try the another one. Okay, so this is a list which we have created by using import method. Let's delete this list. You have to go to File, then Option, Advanced, go to General section, Edit Custom List, so this list, and say Delete. List will be permanently deleted. Okay. Now we'll type and then drag it. You can see the word what you have typed is dragged. So the list is deleted. If you close this workbook and opens up a new workbook, the list will remaining in your Excel, in your laptop or computer itself. So the list can be used again and again. So let's end up our today's session. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Meanwhile, if you like my video and content, please like, subscribe and share with your friends, families and colleagues. If you have any queries or suggestions, please drop me a mail at expertoconsultancy4@gmail.com, or you can also comment in the comment section. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.